Hello guys and welcome to the gaining access section. All the attacks we did before in the pre-connection attack section, those attacks can be done without connecting to the internet or connecting to the Wi-Fi actually. So we don't know the Wi-Fi password and we can still manage to capture the packets and we can still read some information into them. But we cannot do a lot of stuff because all of that is encrypted. So what we are going to do in this section is trying to hack those Wi-Fi's. So we are going to gain the access actually, so we can do a lot of more stuff, because once we are on the network we can do a lot of stuff and we can run even more powerful attacks by being the part of the network, and then it will be more easy for us to see the data which is being sent through the packets. And if it's an open network, I mean that if there is no encryption on those data packets and you see that it is open network and it is not WEP or it is not WPA or WPA2 or any other kind of encryption, so you can just skip these videos of the gaining access section and you can just jump to the post connection attacks, because in this section we are only going to discuss how to hack Wi-Fi and how to gain access and how to break the keys and how to crack the keys and all that stuff. So if the network is using any kind of encryption, and it means that it is asking for a password, so it is asking for a decrypting password, so we need to hack it actually, and we need to do stuff by which we can actually capture the key or do some stuff to get into the network actually. So our sole purpose in this section is going to be part of becoming the part of the network. So there are actually three type of encryptions which are being used in Wi-Fi's, and these are followed all around the world. Number one is WEP. It is also called WEP, and it is not very widely used, but you can still find some Wi-Fi's or some networks using WEP. And then there is WPA and WPA2. WPA and WPA2 are kind of very similar, and all the attacks you can run on WPA, you can also run them on WPA2. In the next section we are going to discuss how we can hack into WEP and how to capture packets and how to generate IVs and all that stuff.